Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn dark mode on or off in OneNote. Whether you're working late at night and want to reduce eye strain, or you prefer a specific look for your note-taking environment, switching between light and dark modes in OneNote is incredibly simple and can make your workspace more comfortable. Let's start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app. Once you've launched the application, you'll need to load into your notebook. This might take just a moment depending on how much content you have stored, so be patient while everything loads up properly. You'll know you're ready to proceed when you can see all your sections and pages displayed clearly on your screen. Now that your notebook has been loaded, we can move forward with toggling the dark mode setting. The process for turning dark mode on or off in OneNote is quite straightforward, so let's walk through it together. Direct your attention to the top part of your screen where your menu and tools are located. Here you'll see several tabs available for different functions. Click on the View tab. This tab contains various options for customizing how your OneNote workspace appears and functions. It's where you'll find all the visual settings that control your note-taking experience. Once you've clicked on View, you'll see multiple options spread across the toolbar. Now, look toward the far right side of this toolbar. You'll see an option labeled Switch Background. This is the control that manages your dark mode setting. It's a simple toggle that allows you to instantly switch between light and dark themes. Click on Switch Background to toggle dark mode on or off. The change should happen immediately, transforming your entire OneNote interface to match your selected preference. If you currently have light mode active, clicking this option will switch you to dark mode, giving you that sleek, darker interface that's easier on the eyes in low light conditions. Conversely, if you're already in dark mode and prefer the traditional bright background, clicking it again will return you to light mode. You can toggle back and forth as many times as you like, depending on your current needs or environment. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to control the dark mode setting in OneNote, giving you the flexibility to customize your workspace for maximum comfort and productivity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.